Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. Welcome again. Today we are going to start a new chapter, our environment. We have the word environment often being used on the television, in newspaper and by people around us. Environment. So environment is the sum total of all external factors, substances, living beings and the conditions that surrounds an organism and influences the same without becoming its part. So it consists of both living and non-living components, each of which have several subcomponents which are interlinked or interdependent to each other. So in this chapter we are going to study about the various factors in the environment, their interaction with each other and how we impact our environment. So effect of adding waste to the environment. What happens when we add our waste to the environment? Human activities produce a lot of waste materials which are thrown away into the environment, right? So these waste causes pollution of air, pollution of water, soil, right? So the waste material produced are basically of two types. One is biodegradable and another is non-biodegradable. Biodegradable are the waste which are decomposed into harmless substances by the help of microorganisms. Right? For example, the fruits, pulses, vegetables, jute, wool, these are some biodegradable substances. Means they can be easily decomposed by the microorganism and do not cause any pollution in the environment. On the other hand, second waste is non-biodegradable waste, which are not decomposed by the microorganism, and it is really harmful to the environment or for us. For example, the polythene bags, the glass, metals, pesticides and insecticides, the chemicals, these are non-biodegradable, means they cannot be decomposed by the microorganism into simpler substances. So they create pollution. So these are the basically two types of waste, that is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Now a term comes, that is ecosystem. What are its components? So what is ecosystem actually? An ecosystem is defined as a unit of organism occupying a given area which interact with physical environment and causing cycling of materials between living and non-living environment. And an ecosystem consists of living organisms in an area along with non-living components and their interaction, that is called ecosystem. So ecosystem are generally of two types. One is natural ecosystem and another is artificial, which we made, or human made ecosystem we can say. Natural ecosystem, for example, forest, desert, ponds, mountain, river, these are the natural ecosystem. On the other hand, artificial ecosystem, for example, the parks, gardens, crop fields, zoos, which are made by the human being artificially, so they are called artificial ecosystem. Ecosystem is mainly consist of two components, that is biotic component and abiotic component. Biotic component, which includes all living components, for example the plants, animals and the microorganisms. Plants are also called the producers as they produce food material or they synthesize their food with the help of photosynthesis process. So they are called producers. Secondly, animals. As animals consume the plants or plants products, so they are called consumers. And another is microorganisms like bacteria, fungi. They decompose or help in the decomposition of the products, byproducts, so they are called decomposers. right? Another is abiotic components. So all non-living components like the air, water, temperature, wind, the sunlight, these are abiotic components or non-living components.